Welcome to your quick guide to reflexology, right from the comfort of home. By stimulating specific points, reflexology helps reduce stress and improve circulation. No fancy tools required, just a quiet space and your hands. Start with a gentle rub to wake up your reflex zones. Apply firm but gentle pressure to each zone for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe deeply and let your body absorb the benefits. Consistency is key. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Thanks for watching. Here's to feeling better naturally. If you like this video, please like, drop a comment, and share. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of wellness.